People of different ages, religions, and castes live in the SFS colony. They want their colony to be a happy and united place. For this, they are all trying to become good citizens of their colony. Today, with them, we will learn about our rights and duties. In this lesson, you will learn about meaning of rights and duties, importance of knowing our rights and duties as citizens of India. Jaya and Miss Sahu meet at the park. Miss Sahu is the SFS colony president. Jaya has a complaint.
Miss Sahu, it's good to see you. How are you?
Miss Sahu says.
I am good, Jaya. How are you?
Jaya says.
I wanted to discuss a problem with you. The colony road is completely broken. It has so many holes. It is very unsafe and should be repaired.
Miss Sahu says.
Thank you for sharing this, Jaya. It is important to have good and safe roads. I will take care of it.
What is a right? A right is something that we feel we should have. Jaya feels that she deserves a good road in the colony. She feels it is her right. Miss Sahu continues talking to Jaya.
Jaya, some colony members were saying that you park your car in the wrong place. That is not good.
Jaya answers.
Oh, I just park my car wherever I get some space.
Miss Sahu explains.
No, Jaya. You should be careful. We should all respect each other's space.
Jaya says.
I will make sure from next time, Miss Sahu.
Miss Sahu is talking about Jaya's duties as a member of SFS colony. It is Jaya's duty to park her car in the right place. What is a duty? A duty is a responsibility. You should do it for yourself and others. This makes you a good citizen. Activity time. Rights are the things we expect from our family, community, and country. Duties are the things we do for our family, community, and country. Drag and drop these in the correct box. Getting education, getting clean water, taking care of your grandparents, paying taxes. You are right. You have understood the lesson well. Miss Sahu does a meeting with other members of the colony.
What do we expect from our colony? What should be our rights?
I think we all should have clean water, says Debu.
The right to use the park,
says Mr. Nair.
The colony should be safe for everyone.
Says Chanda. The colony members make a list of all the important basic rights. Your turn. You are a citizen of India. What basic rights do you think you should have? Think like this. What do I expect from my country? Think about 3 such rights. Click here to see some answers.
I think men and women should get equal salary.
I think I should be free to express my thoughts and opinions. The Constitution gives 6 basic rights to all Indian citizens. These are called fundamental rights. These are the right to equality, the right to freedom, the right against exploitation, the right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and rights to constitutional remedies. Click on the book to know more about each right. Mr. Nair says, having clean water is very important. But it is important that we don't waste water. Who will take that responsibility? Chanda says,
Everyone should take responsibility. It is our duty to not waste water.
You're right, Chanda. We should all share these duties.
says Miss Sahu.
What are some other duties that we should share?
It is our duty to keep our colony clean.
It is also our duty to respect each other. They all agree to this and make a list of duties. The colony members have duties towards SFS colony. Just like that, we also have duties towards our country. Rights and duties always come together. Without duties, you cannot have rights. Now, think about your duties. What is your responsibility towards the country? Your duties to your country are as important as your rights. Think like this. What should I do for the country? Think about 3 such duties. Click here to see some answers. I think I must stand up during the national anthem. I think I must vote. Just like we have some fundamental rights, we also have some fundamental duties towards our country. Click to read about the 11 fundamental duties that we have towards our country. Suku says,
Raju, our sweeper, and his family live in the basement of our building. Should they also have these rights and duties?
Mr. Nair says,
Suku, it is our duty to respect all members of our colony. Raju has the right to be respected by all of us equally.
they all agree. Miss Sahu says,
Just like our country, these rights and duties are for all colony members, young or old, boy or girl, rich or poor, any religion or any caste.
activity time. Here is a statement. Mark it true or false. We should focus on fighting for our rights. It is not important to fulfill our duties. You are right. It is not possible to get rights without doing duties. There are many people in our country who do not know about their rights and duties. You should share and tell your family and friends about this. You can read more on the internet. To be a good citizen, it is important to know our rights and duties.